Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the keyframe button on CapCut PC to make the moving object. Alright, so for example, I'm going to select background and I'm going to add the overlay, put on top another clip, and I'm going to remove the background, just going to select the auto cutout. So you can move the object with the keyframe. Go to basic and you can see this keyframe button. So make sure on the first frame and on the overlay you can click on the keyframe button and swipe to the right. Okay, and you can move the object. Alright, here we go. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please select the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.